Okay, now we will explain the chapter 12 of personal natural health system. It is called Diabetes in Heshoutang natural health system. The diabetes, I think almost everybody knows it. But in fact, today we explain the diabetes in Heshoutang natural health system because it really exists misunderstanding about diabetes. As I said, before you take any action for your health, to have the correct knowledge, it is the first important for you to do. Because the correct knowledge will make you decide what kind of action you need to take. And the knowledge will decide the direction of the action. If the knowledge is wrong, whatever action you take, you struggle for it, you make very hard to do it, and you cannot get the correct results from your action. And it will make you desperate. It will make you bored. Why? Because the knowledge must be correct. Or maybe many people they will ask too, how you can see the knowledge from Heshoutang natural health, it is correct. In fact, if it is correct or not, it is not difficult to understand, because, as I said, Heshoutang natural health knowledge, we use only what you can feel. We use the words only what you can understand. We use the common words for you. We use the common words, simple words to describe the information. And this kind of words or articles can make everybody understand it. Let's see the information of diabetes in Heshoutang natural health system. The key points is here. I will finish reading all of these points first, and then I will give the deeper explanation. Blood sugar plays an important role in human body. Glucose supplies 80% ATP to your body. ATP is energy. This kind of words is from chemical knowledge. Protein and fat supply 20% ATP to your body. Diabetes is from that organs functions are in disorder. High sugar level is a stress response from disorder of organs functions. To focus on reducing sugar level only without improving organs functions is wrong. After the disorders of organs functions are improved, your sugar level will go down itself. So this is the key points of diabetes in Heshoutang natural health system. Among those kind of key points, the first important I want to remind of you is what? In Heshoutang natural health system, we define the high blood sugar level is a stress response from disorder of organ functions. What is stress response? I can give you an example. When the people use a needle, okay, or use a knife to prick your skin, okay, and your body will take it back, will do like this naturally, okay. This kind of action from somebody want to prick you, we can see it is a stress response. In another way, for diabetes patients, the sugar level is high. It is the body should do that because you know the sugar level high from your own body adjustation. Okay, adjustation. Is it means for the diabetes patients, you should have that kind of high sugar level. For what? For supporting your body to have enough energy to survive. Why? Because even in the chemical knowledge, it tells us sugar or the glucose will supply 80% ATP, or we can say energy, to your body. Fat and protein only supplies 20% ATP or energy to you. When your body functions in disorders, the sugar level becomes higher because of what? Even the chemical knowledge found that diabetes patients, the cells, okay, when the sugar is absorbed into the body need transfer the sugar or the glucose into the cells. Before they are transferred, before the glucose is transferred into the cells, there is a receptor. There is a receptor on the cells, okay, to catch and hold the glucose, and then to take it into the cells to produce the energies. But the diabetes patients, this kind of receptor, it looks like the cells doesn't know, or the cells cannot recognize glucose. You know, if the receptor on the cells which will transfer the glucose into the cells, if this receptor cannot recognize the glucose and the cells cannot get the glucose to produce the energies, this means your body will be in lower energy supplies. And that is why the body will adjust the sugar level to be high. To be high for what? It try to get more energy. So if you only consider, or if you only focus on reducing your sugar level without fixing your body problems, finally your body will no energy to use. You will have multi-organs failure, circulation problems, many complications will happen. So from this point, in Heart for Natural Health knowledge, we see high sugar level or high blood sugar level is the stress response from disorder of organ functions. And in fact, the sugar in your body is too much just relatively. But in fact, in your body, the sugar or the glucose shortage is the problem. It's a problem. So from this point, we can see if the diabetes want to be healed, we have to improve the people's body functions, organ functions, whatever the stomach functions, liver functions, kidney functions, lungs functions, heart functions, whatever. Only focus on the functions improvement, or only focus on the functions, organ functions recovery. Then you can fix the diabetes problems. Before, I also explained to our people what is the health definition in Heart and Natural Health system. What is the correct health? What is the correct plan? The correct plan for you, you can tell yourself, if this plan you are taking, it can improve your problems, and after you stop it, your problems is better or be healed or gone. This means this plan is correct. Lifelong taking, addicted inside, make you addicted in the plan, that is wrong. That is not fixing your problems. That is not improving your problems. That is only hiding the real problems, what you have right now. I have told our people, diabetes patients, in Heart and Natural Health knowledge, if you only focus on reducing your sugar level without improving your body functions, finally you will have multi-organs failure. This kind of complications. Kidney failure, liver failure, heart failure, the lung failure. That is what the diabetes patient scared about. And also circulation problems. People have diabetic foot. People will get the amputation finally. They have to cut their legs. Why those kind of complications happen? Because no energy to use. No energy to use, organ failure. It looks like the car no gas. If the car no gas, the car stopped working. So this is the key information of diabetes in Heshoutang natural health knowledge. Remember, high sugar level is a stress response of your body against what? Against the disorders of your organ. Do not focus the sugar level reduction only. Yes, if the sugar level very high, it will damage you, no doubt. But according to my experience, there is a few diabetes patients die from high sugar level. Most diabetes patients die from lower sugar level. Die from multi-organ failure. Multi-organ failure. Why multi-organ failure? No sugar, no energy. So this kind of information is a revolutionary information. In fact, all the information of Heshoutang natural health system is revolutionary information. And this kind of information is not difficult to understand. I hope all people, whoever you are, when you get this kind of information, if you think it is right, spread this kind of information to your friends, to your family members. And this is you helping other people to improve their health too. Okay? Thank you for today.